guys, welcome to the Decampers. We are on our way to pick up our RV today.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
We got the call, or I guess we called, and they said that everything is done, but, you know, once we leave the lot, that's it with warranty. So we're just going to go in with the anticipation of checking it out, inspecting it, and seeing if everything is good. We're trying not to get too excited. So, but gosh, hopefully everything works and works out, and we can bring our baby home today. So we're just getting into Tulsa right now. Luckily, our dealership is just right here across the street from Hard Rock, or across the highway, so it's maybe a 20-minute drive from the house. So, oh, green arrow, oh, yellow. So, anyways, guys, stick with us. We'll be right back in just a second. I'm gonna try to video, like, some of our checking out the trailer and things like that, and, just kind of, you know, see what we can do. I'm not sure if they're going to be cool with us videoing anything, but we'll check back with you guys here in just a second, and we'll see what's up. Okay, here we go. You can start to see the RVs. I'm nervous. Are you nervous, David?
Yeah, I'm nervous. I'm ready to take it home.
I am so ready to get Moira home. My God. So ready, so ready. Like, all of a sudden I'm getting butterflies. My stomach is starting to hurt.
Look at all those nice redwoods.
Yes,
the blue one.
gotta love redwood. Oh, is that our? No, that's not our trailer. I thought that was it. Is it?
Are you sure it's not it?
I didn't see the vents on top.
That's
Are we
it.
sure that's ours?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's us. We think. We're pretty positive that's us. Okay, so let's pull on in here where there's room and see what the hell is going on. Okay, wow, it's a busy day here today. Someone's picking up their new RV, and it looks like they're really smart because they're towing with a nice big Ford Super. You know, we're really biased.
Yeah.
Oh, if you can see above that little bullet trailer there, you can tell where they're adding on a larger service department right up there, which they need to do at this place. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so you see that?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm
We're
just
taking it
like,
home.
we're so happy. I'm just like, in my head right now is our theme song, you know, like our little clip. Bow, 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 bow. We're just like super happy. There was a little bit of touch and go there for a minute. Like,
Yeah.
we go to hitch up and we notice our battery box lid and the strap's missing, and the guy who took it off and was working on the trailer called in sick today. So in other words, today's Monday, he probably partied hard all weekend because he kind of looks like a party guy.
Yeah.
So they come out with a lid that doesn't fit, and finally they just like replace the whole battery box in the lid. Just happy.
Yeah, happy that it's hitched up and ready to go
Ready
home.
to go home. Oh my God. And like everything we needed fixed is fixed.
Mm-hmm.
And like we haven't even really talked about what all needed to be done. I guess we could, but we're not going to talk about that one thing.
Yeah.
So we have you know, the double recliner, the theater seating. Well, David's side, the handle's getting stiff, and it kind of felt like the bottom left side of his bottom cushion was like sagging. So instead of just trying to fix it, they replaced the entire double recliner. We had a little ceiling panel that was coming loose. They took care of that. One of the cabinet doors above my recliner in the corner seam, it started like spreading open, so they took care of that. On our last trip, we noticed our hot water tank, you know, ours will run on electric or gas or both. Well, on the propane end of it, it just wasn't, you could hear it click, but it wasn't like really engaging and firing up. Well, I guess it was some kind of control panel or something was out, and they fixed that. we had a window, one of the little tall windows next to the back couch started leaking, and I had sealed it and it stopped leaking, but they went ahead and went back through it, sealed that good. It caused a little damage on the countertop on the little end table by the couch. That's taken care of, and I think that's it.
That's it, yeah.
So hope to God that's it, because guys, this is the end of the warranty of the bumper to bumper. So and
fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. As soon as we leave this lot, it's over.
Yeah.
But the manager did tell us that, you know, if we have any problems with any of these repairs, just pay attention to them, and that if there's a problem that comes up with them, if it didn't seem to be repaired properly or something, to just let her know, and, you know, it'll just kind of be a redo of a warranty repair, and it'll be covered. And I asked about, you know, after your bumper to bumper warranty, then it falls down to your individual warranties on your appliances and things like that. And I asked her, like, so if we have a problem with that now, what do we do? And she said, we can just still bring it back to our dealer. They handle it. They just bring someone's calling. They will handle it, and they just bill, you know, to the manufacturer of whatever specific product needs handled. So fingers crossed, we don't have any warranty type issues that aren't going to be covered anymore.
Yeah.
But all I know is I'm super excited.
Me too. Let's get this trailer home.
Yeah, let's hit the road. I better make sure I put the truck in tow.
It's been a while. We're not sure if we know how to do this anymore.
Yeah, we're all trying to hitch up and everything. We're kind of like, yeah, let's like triple check everything.
Yeah.
Just make sure everything is right, and I'm still kind of running through my head.
Yeah, me too. We'll find out, so.
Yeah. All right, so let's hit the road.
All right, guys.
Here we go. I'm so excited. Woo. Okay, make our right turn here. Bring in Moira home, yay! There's our clanky weight distribution that hasn't been used in forever. Boy, man, you can tell it hasn't been used.
Yeah.
A little creaky, rusty. All right. Yay! We're getting onto the highway here by the Hard Rock Hotel, Resort, Casino, Buffet.
Yeah, we know it for the buffet.
Oh yeah, we love the buffet. So one thing Oklahoma's good for is the casino buffets. Alright, getting up onto the highway. It's been a while.
Are you going to be able to do it?
I hope so. Yay!
Woo, it's coming home, guys.
Thank God, man. You know what's funny is this Super Duty ride's hard as a rock, but when we've got the trailer, it's not as bad. I mean, it's still hard as a rock. It's a little weight on the back.
Kind of like a cushy rock now.
Yeah, a little bit of a cushy rock. Okay, here we go. We're going to merge into traffic. I am so freaking excited to be merging onto the highway right now. And just headed home. Oh my God, we're headed home. All right, guys. These Oklahoma roads. So, anyways, we're gonna finish our drive safely, and we'll get right back to you guys. Just let me get this bad girl home safely. See you guys in 1 second.
Hey guys, so we made it back to our little neck of the woods here with our trailer, and we're about to run into Walmart and get some food to eat.
Starving Marvin. This is like the best place to park. So Walmart it is in small town America.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we made it pretty much back home. We've got like a 15-minute drive left to go, something like that. So happy. Our tow back to our area went well. like it always does.
Yeah,
I don't know why we were being kind of nervous about it. But so she's back.
She's back, and it's been a long day, guys.
Yeah, work all day. David got home from work. He didn't even sit down. He came in, put stuff down. I'm like, come on, let's go. Let's go get the trailer. So we're both beat. We're starving Marvin. So anyways, guys,
we're going to get in here and get our food ordered. So we'll see you guys on the next video. So hit the like button, the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.